Hey guys, today I'll be showing you a whole new way to edit thumbnails using your phone for free. So this is a whole new app that I came across by myself. I am not sponsored. I just really liked it and I thought you guys could learn a lot from this app, and it's super fun to use and it's free. So let's go ahead and get started. If you like these types of videos, please remember to give me a big thumbs up and make sure you're hitting that bell icon so you can get notified when I post some more. So let's go ahead and open up our app. So the app today that we'll be using is called Pixel Lab. So if you will, go ahead and download that app or open it up if you already have it. And what we're going to do to get started is we're going to go in that right-hand corner where it has 3 little dots. And we're going to look at image size in the drop-down menu. Click on it, and we need to make our thumbnail the size it needs to be for YouTube. And it's always going to be 1280 by 720. So let's change that last number. Okay, so now we have it sized. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a background and how to bring in your own background from your phone. Also, I'm going to show you some cool things you can do with text and how to import images into your thumbnail. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Now we need to go to the bottom here where you see those 2 pieces of paper, as I call them, but it's called a layers tab. We're also going to scroll on over to From Gallery. This is going to let you upload a photo from your gallery to your thumbnail. So I'm going to go with this pretty pastel one. You can also crop it to whatever part you want to show. There you go, and you press the check mark when you're done. So now that we have a background, let's go ahead and add some text. So we need to go to the A at the bottom. We're also going to hit styles because I want to show you how to do the styles. Now, you can do regular text, but I'm going to show you something super cool. So you hit styles, browse, and then you can pick from any of these that you have here. I'm going to go with the top one. Now, we need to edit it and put whatever we want it to say. So let's go ahead and do that by clicking the edit button. Just in case you guys didn't see it, it's right next to the styles button. Type in your text, hit OK, and there you go. You have your text there. Now we want to scroll on over. Make sure your text is selected when you're doing this, or the menu here at the bottom will disappear. So we're going to go to size, and we're going to make it bigger so you guys can see it better. There we go. Check mark. And now I'm going to show you something so cool about the text options on here. You can add a texture to your text, which is my favorite thing to do on this app. So you scroll over to texture, and it says that no texture selected, but we're going to select one by pressing the blue box. And you can pick from your phone. It could be anything. So I'm going to make it a unicorn text. I'm going to pick this unicorn, and I'm going to use this portion that has, well, let's do 2 unicorns. So there's that. Now you can scroll down and scale it to make it bigger or smaller. So now I have this super pretty unicorn text in my thumbnail, which is something that I'm going to use quite a lot. You can also do so much more with that. You can make different font styles. So you can pick from any of these if you like. You can also do a curve if you like as well. So I'm just going to do this because mine's so big now. There we go. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you really quick before I go, I'm going to let you guys kind of play with it and learn it a little bit. And if you need any help, you can always ask me. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to add an image into your thumbnail. So what you want to do is you want to go over to, I'm sorry, I'm under the wrong tab. So you need to go to the middle tab there and import. And then you can import any image you like and crop it to whatever you want. And there it is. It's on our screen, and we can just click this little dot to kind of make it whatever size we like. Sorry, my phone's lagging a little bit. There we go. So you can drag in your own images. Also, if you select the image, you can also do like an eraser. You know how some things, like some apps you can get, will erase your background and make it transparent on an image of you or anything? Well, this has it built in, so you don't have to download multiple apps to make a thumbnail, which is really awesome. So you go to Erase Color, and it takes away like a certain color. You can select it whatever color you want it to take away. Things like that. So it's really awesome. You'll have to play around with it a little bit because I'm not that great at that part yet. But I just had to share this with you guys because it's super awesome. And the only thing you want to remember when you save this, go up to that little dislike thing and icon. I don't know why I called it a thing. And you don't want to save it as a project. You want to save it as an image. So you just make sure your width and height are 1280 by 720. Save to gallery. And it'll render it or whatever, and you're done. So that's pretty much how you use the app. Let me know if you guys found this really helpful or not. It does also contain ads, unfortunately, but not as many as Thumbnail Maker. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.